Hi, I'm Nancy Carr, K-State Research and Extension here in Johnson County. I'm going to tell you here about my kit. I partnered with Bayer Corporation and it's called Making Science Make Sense. I deliver this to the school office. The teachers will have this kit for 3 weeks so they can use it at their convenience. There are 6 lessons, and when you open it up, you have a notebook that tells you about all 6 of the lessons, how to present it to the students, what the information is that you are trying to present. I also have a check sheet that tells you all the items that are in this kit ahead of time. And then, to make it simple for the teachers, they can literally pull out lesson 1 and be ready to go without having to do much effort and preparation for doing this kit.